Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're venturing into the icy realms of the polar regions to uncover an incredible creature. Are you ready to play? Let's dive into this frosty adventure. Here's your first clue. Take a look at this close-up image of black and white feathers. These distinctive feathers provide excellent insulation against the cold. Can you guess which polar bird this might be? Take a moment to think about it. Your next clue. This bird is flightless. Despite its wings, it spends most of its time in the water, where it is a graceful and agile swimmer. Does this clue help you figure out which polar bird it could be? Here's another hint. This bird is an excellent swimmer, using its powerful flippers to propel itself through the icy waters. It can dive to great depths in search of food. Have you guessed which bird it is yet? Here's one more clue. This bird lives in large colonies, huddling together for warmth and protection against the harsh polar conditions. They are social creatures that rely on each other for survival. Now, can you guess what bird this is? Let's recap. Our mystery bird has black and white feathers, is flightless, is an excellent swimmer, and lives in large colonies in the polar regions. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a penguin, you're absolutely right! Penguins are remarkable birds perfectly adapted to life in the icy wilderness of the polar regions. Great job, everyone! Did you know that penguins can't fly? But they are incredibly fast and agile swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour underwater. They also have a unique way of sliding on their bellies, called tobogganing, to conserve energy while moving across the ice. Penguins are truly fascinating creatures. Hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.